Happy birthday, Nish! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Nish.
Happy birthday, Nishta.
Happy birthday, Nish. Happy birthday, Nish. I love you so much.
You've turned 19! Yeah! सारे बूढ़े हो रहे हैं. Wow, that's so great. Okay, so first of all, if I keep looking there again and again, that's because I have a cheat sheet over here which I keep referring to because I keep forgetting and I want to make this video in one go. So, bear with it. Okay, so you've turned 19. May you get everything that you wish for and all the happiness in the world. May you get loads and loads of success in life. मेरा आशीर्वाद हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ है. And yeah, I know we might have not spent much time together since like 8th standard, but that doesn't change the fact that I love you and I adore you. You're the secret छुपा रुस्तम, छोटा packet बड़ा धमाका type of the group. You're a surprise package. No one knows what to expect from you. I mean, I couldn't have imagined in a million years that you would turn out to be like this. I mean, the first time I saw you, from the moment you walked into our class, my first impression was, यार ये तो कुछ भी नहीं बोलती, हम इसके साथ कैसे manage करेंगे? But then you gave us all a surprise. You turned out to be this wholesome male. You have this hidden personality in you, which is amazing, which comes out in front of us, and I love you. All that McLeodganj drama, bitching about Zafar, 8th standard में जो भी हमने हरकतें करी है, Ashna's birthday night, it was all so much fun with you. And yeah, I know you keep bailing on us and हम लोग ज़्यादा time नहीं spend कर पाते, but let's meet soon, please let's meet soon and get all crazy again and unleash our real selves out. I don't know if that was incorrect English, but okay. Happy birthday. I love you.
I don't know where exactly do I start this from. So I love you, babe. From that, nicely tied up hair, Nish in 6th standard, to the one who never used to comb her hair. I've always loved you and will love you forever. I love you so much. I wish you all the happiness in the world. अभी मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा what all I'm supposed to say because there's so many things. Your Upasna incident and your tiffins and your dosa and your ranting and how the next day we used to look at each other's eye and see one of us cried the last night, and that's just sad. Your South Indian family, and you know how you changed my entire perception about South Indians. I miss all our gossip sessions with Simmu and Isha and all of us. Do you remember this one time when we went out with Simi to dig in and then we decided to end up at Ashna's place and we were lost in the middle of nowhere and we were just walking, having the best time of our lives, and in the end how Ashna came to our rescue. So yeah. This one's the last. Now I'm going to talk about Nish's shady side. Not a lot of people know, but that innocent face, uske piche, there are many dark secrets, and one of them is that she laughs at people's funeral. How shady could that be, right? And she maintains a poker face while threatening people. She's a badass bitch, guys. Not a lot of people know that, but I know she's capable of killing a person and leave no evidences. That's my Nish for you.
Happy birthday, Nishta. Hope you have a great day and amazing year ahead. I know that we're living in tough times and we can't meet each other and everything, but hopefully we'll party whenever the lockdown is over, and hopefully we also get the chance to see Jyotsna in her element again, and the both of us can laugh together at her stupidity. That's all. Have a great day.
I remember she came in 6th standard. What was her age at that time? 12, 13? 11, 12, 13, somewhat at around that age, I don't know. Okay.
So she came here in 6th standard. So उस time कितना होगी? 12 या 13? 12 most probably. Yes.
11, 6th standard.
I think it was 12 or 13 because middle school.
Around fifth or sixth standard, so basically around the age of 12 or 13.
Okay, so what age? I know you came in 6th and 6th में September में मैं 11 की थी तो August में you were 11, right? And but you came before August, तो I'm guessing you were either 10 or 11, मतलब दोनों के बीच में कहीं का कुछ. Yeah.
It was in 6th standard. I remember she became my partner after she came, so I know her since then, and I can say that she's my childhood friend, you know.
So Nishchita moved to Delhi when we were about 11 or 12. So I'm going to say 6th grade. That's when we met her, really innocent as. Yeah.
Favorite movie?
Rockstar.
Favorite movie?
I think it's Dil To Pagal Hai because you like the songs.
Favorite movie?
I have no clue. She loves so many trashy movies, and one of them is Twilight, I know. Vampire Diaries, all that bullshit she loves.
Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara? I don't know. Oh wait, Rockstar.
I don't know. I think you like to watch a lot of those very vampire type of things. So like something like Lucifer or Vampire Diaries or something. Please don't judge me. I might be.
Fave movie तो Rockstar है, that's obvious.
So favorite movie मेरे को नहीं पता. होगी यार कोई अंग्रेजी ऐसे movie.
So Nisha's favorite movie is apparently Rockstar, but according to me, it is any movie that we can vibe on. I'm going to say, from a personal perspective, it's going to be any horror movie or anything really, really seductive.
Nisha's a celebrity, I'm sure of. It's Hrithik Roshan. Everyone knows that. This to everyone knows that. I remember we used to sit in library and once we were like looking through some magazines and उस time पे ऋतिक रोशन की कुछ बात हुई थी and she was like flattered. She was like blushing and all. So this to I clearly remember that उसका favorite celebrity is Hrithik Roshan.
Celebrity Hrithik Roshan, Timothy Chalamet, Nora Fatehi.
Hrithik Roshan.
Favorite celebrity. I am not too sure. Probably someone like either Harry Styles or Zayn Malik, even Arjun Rampal. Yeah.
कोई अंग्रेजी होगा. I have no fucking clue. And if it's an Indian, it could be Arjun Rampal. I know she likes him.
Celebrity, Hrithik Roshan.
I remember Nishchita and Simran crushing over Ian, जो वो Vampire Diaries वाला था. I also.
Nisha's favorite celebrity is Ranbir Kapoor, but I'm also going to add Jamie Dornan because you know why.
It's either Karnataka or Kerala. I know it's a K town. It's either Karnataka or Kerala.
Mangalore.
Mangalore.
Nama Mangaluru. All right. Moving on.
First know this. Mangalore.
Hometown Mangalore.
It's in Bangalore.
Nish's hometown is in Mangalore because every time we used to make a plan in school, her immediate response would be, नहीं मैं Mangalore जा रही हूँ, अभी नहीं मैं इधर हूँ, अभी नहीं मैं दिल्ली में नहीं हूँ.
Favorite color is something in the blue line that I know. In the blue family, I know.
Teal or aqua. I mean, they're the same, no? Also red, I think. Red.
Black and blue.
Blue, and she likes purple also, but yeah.
Color blue. No, not blue actually. That greenish blue weird वाला जो aqua होता है ना. I don't know. Do you call it aqua? Yeah, I think you call it aqua. Aqua.
Might be blue because she was in Unity House. No, yeah, it was blue, and I think black also. Blue लगता है मुझे.
Nish's favorite color, according to me, is black. Yeah. I could be really wrong, but it's okay.
Activity what yaar? Painting. She likes to do painting. She likes watching horror movies. And what? I don't know yaar. Nish, please don't kill me if I get all of these wrong. Please.
She loves art, so anything related to the artistic work. And क्या हो सकता है? Am I a bad friend? No, right?
Man, it has to be judging people. We love judging people together. And
I think gossiping. I love gossiping too.
Favorite. She loves to draw. She.
Judging people, probably.
Fave activity. I'd say it's discussing conspiracy theories and probably watching those weird YouTube wala ghost caught on camera type videos, you know. And third, acha, this might not be your favorite, but I really like it. Climbing trees in Mangalore specifically. Shit, that was weird.
Might be Netflix यार. अभी लॉकडाउन में वो क्या फेवरेट एक्टिविटी होगी उसकी.
So, Nish's favorite activity, with me at least, is venting about people, bitching about them to such a level that she makes both of us feel good, and it's dancing randomly to songs, doing stupid stuff together, recording nonsensical videos, bitching.
जितना डिटेल में ये क्वेश्चन लिखा हुआ है ना, आई तो फील दैट इट इज़ ट्रू. आई मीन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एज आई सेड, निश हैज़ अ सीक्रेट पर्सनैलिटी. सो या निश इज़ केपेबल ऑफ डूइंग इट. एंड जितना डिटेल में ये क्वेश्चन लिखा है ना, उससे तो पक्का पता चल रहा है इट्स ट्रू. तो या ट्रू, आई विल गो फॉर.
this has totally happened. True.
I think this is true. True.
Is this question talking about that Upasna wala incident? If so, then yes, I can. She's capable of murdering someone. She's that crazy. And with a poker face. Nobody's ever gonna find out that I was Nish. Yeah.
Nish ever punched a kid? Listen, I don't know. Because bahar se you're really innocent, okay? But andar se even I know you're Satan ka reincarnation. So you must have punched a kid. Yeah, I'm saying true. It's true.
I don't remember Nishchita telling me this story anytime. However, Nishchita ऐसा कर सकती है. I know her. This is so Nish वाला thing.
Yes, I can 100% say it's true. Maybe not punching the kid, but yes. Moth, poker face, yes.
या ये भी ट्रू. ये भी ट्रू.
Roasted, yeah, in front of us. Bugs Bunny.
I think this could happen. True.
She's capable of that, and I know it. She can do that.
I don't know if you've ever roasted somebody like that. Or maybe you have. True. True. You must have evil. True.
Oh, she can't do this. Nishita was very shy in school. Till 12th standard, only we as her friends know her real face. Uska wo, oh my god, he's so handsome and wo wala, all those things. But Nishita was very shy in front of the other people.
Yes, Nish, you're very capable of it. Yes, you sadistic bitch.
Is Nish secretly the bomb? Okay, I don't know if it's an inside joke or what, but if it's in a literal way, then yes. And otherwise too, maybe I'll guess it that yes, she is. She's savage. She could be.
I don't know, is she? I think she is. I think this is true also.
You are.
I don't know much about the bomb because you guys excluded me from it. But I think Nish was a part of this.
मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि सच ऐसे सामने आएगा, but yes guys, revelation, निश ही द बॉम्ब है. वो एक एलियन प्लैनेट से हमारे प्लैनेट पे आई है स्केटबोर्ड करके. थोड़ा इलीगल तरीका है बट हमें क्या, उसकी पसंद, हमारी तो दोस्त है ना, बस चिल करो.
Da Bomb, obviously, she's my love. Oh.
Yes, Mish, you're the bomb. You're the best. I love you. I don't know if it's one word or two words. I mean, consider it one word only. Chupa Rustam. I said that earlier also. She's the complete secret package. So yeah.
An angel. Angel.
Fabulous.
But no, I can't describe her in one word. I don't really know. She's okay, fine in front of the world. I can say that she's shy, but not in front of us. The bomb.
The one word I have for her is soulmate.